I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. One of the strangest things in Word is found on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, Chart. And as the name implies, it inserts a chart, a graph, into your document. My advice, don't use this feature.
The Empire doesn't like it when you tell us what to do.
Well, you can use the chart feature, but there's an easier way. Here in Excel, I've crafted up some bogus sales data for a meeting I have in 5 minutes. To make a chart of this data, I select it. So from the Insert tab, Charts Group, Line Chart, and a very simple line chart. You see the preview in the document. Click. There's the chart along with these goobers on the right, the chart elements, chart style, filter. And when I select the chart, I can press Control-C. Meanwhile, back in Word, Control-V to paste. There's the chart, but it's more than just a copied image of the chart. It's really the chart itself, still tied to Excel. In fact, if I want to edit the chart's data, I can right-click on the chart, Edit Data in Excel, and I'm back in Excel where I can adjust the sales figure for May to make it much lower. And switch back to Word, and the chart is updated automatically. Amazing! This is the benefit of doing a chart in Excel and then pasting it into Word.
Okay, fine. Great example. But say I want to be a stupid human and use the chart feature in Word.
From the Insert tab, choose Chart, choose the chart style, and I'll pick a line chart just as was done earlier in Excel. OK. And you see the chart placeholder along with an Excel worksheet dingus with bogus data in it.
Wow, that's actually kind of amazing.
It is. That is, until you finally try to recreate the data. See, now I must use this Excel thingy to type in the numbers. And I'm trying to type the data and pretending that this is Excel, but it's not. Actually, it's rather frustrating to work this thing, firstly because it's tiny on the screen, but also because it's not really behaving like Excel, at least not like I'm used to. So, okay, I'm done.
Verily, you have proved the veracity of your claim. It is stupid. We knew this already.
Thanks. Chart is a curious feature and one that might get you by in a pinch. Even then, it makes sense only if you have Word but not Excel, and that's probably not even the case. Sorry, Word. Chalk up one for Excel here, but you're still my favorite word processor.